Okay, so here's your Whirlpool Duet dryer, and so it's completely dead. There's no lights, nothing is plugged in. And so all you need to do is take the top or the bottom panel off. There's two screws here on the bottom, and you can remove the panel. And then you'll see that the panel contains a little compartment there with the troubleshooting manual in it. And so this is your troubleshooting manual. And you'll find that basically there's no power. You want to make sure that your cord is good. So they ask you to check the continuity of this unplugged to make sure that there's continuity going through this. And then they want you to check the terminals from the plug to the board. And if you have a problem, if you have power to the board and all the connections are good, then they suggest you replace the board. And so here's the codes, the failure codes. And on this particular one, we don't have any failure codes at all. So basically, it's requiring that we get a new control board. One or both control boards, either the front one or the back one on top of the barrel. So anyway, that's your tip for today. Thanks for watching.